Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Melanie in here with us this afternoon, and Melanie's boyfriend, or husband, is it? Husband is a crack addict, and he found us on YouTube, and he showed Melanie one of our videos that we were doing on a patient who came in suffering with acid reflux and hiatal hernia symptoms, and she knows Brooke Adams personally, who's back here with us today for some more yoga pants and politics. And she brought her friend in with yoga pants. We'll talk politics with her too. So Melanie's a little scared. This is her first time getting adjusted here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, but I told her no worries. We don't have any heads on our trophy wall yet. We'll start with her.
I always make him say it. I'm like, come on, say it. Give me the line. Give me the line.
All right, so I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation as well as her history. Let's go ahead and land. You tell me, so I'm going to get started adjusting her right away. Now her left leg is about 1/8 of an inch shorter than her right leg in this prone position. And when I bring her legs up, it gets a little bit longer even on the left. You see that from there? See, that tightens up in your lower back, doesn't it, Melanie?
Yes. I can see the difference.
And then she's got left SI joint subluxation right there, and that's tender too. And that's really tender at L5. These are all sore, aren't they?
Yes.
All of this is especially bad. Now, those of you who are suffering with acid reflux and hiatal hernia, GERD symptoms, a lot of times we'll really have a lot of pain and symptoms down here in the lower thoracic spine where the lower rib cage attaches to the lower thoracic spine transverse processes. So when these get misaligned down here in the lower thoracic spine, it affects the rib cage alignment all the way around to the front where it attaches up into the sternum, but it also affects the strength of the diaphragm going across the abdomen. And the diaphragm in the center of it has a little sphincter in it that is called the hiatus. And the hiatus, whenever the diaphragm's tweaked, opens up and lets the stomach slip up through the esophagus or through the hiatus into the esophagus and starts secreting acid all the way up into the esophagus. And you were diagnosed with that acid reflux and hiatal hernia from gastrointestinal position, correct?
Yes.
But you told me earlier that you've been having intestinal issues since you were in grade school.
Yes.
So she's had lifelong stomach problems that even developed into ulcers at one point, right?
Yes.
So Melanie is a mess. That's the same name as my sister, by the way. So I'm going to get started adjusting her left SI joint first. Crack Addicts Unite. More yoga pants.
Oh, God.
There we go. Yep. This is going to hurt you a lot more than it does me. Okay, just breathe and relax. There, let me loosen this up just a little bit for you. There's L3, L2. Okay.
Oh.
There it is.
Oh. Oh.
Boy, oh boy.
Oh, God.
Oh my
Oh.
God.
Oh, my God.
You're going to be like a new woman.
Oh, God. Oh,
Crack
my
Addicts definitely going to love you.
Dude.
Now see, your legs are even now.
Oh,
And I
my
bet
God.
you this doesn't tighten up like that first one did.
Oh, my gosh.
Did it?
That was
No.
crazy.
Oh, holy moly.
Yeah, Crack Addicts definitely gonna love you, Melanie. There you go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
Girlfriend. Oh, wow.
Hey, we're just getting started.
Oh.
Oh, my goodness.
Do you feel good?
Oh, she'll feel better
How do you
here
hear-
very shortly.
Oh my
Let's slide up this way just a bit.
I don't feel
There
like
you
mine
go.
are anywhere near that loud.
No, no. So I'm not adjusting your cheekbones on this, Melanie. I'm pulling your head up and over your spine where it's supposed to be. Slide down this way a little bit, please. There you go. Now put both arms straight out, palms up. Yep, kind of like Jesus on the cross there. There we go. So adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, and your interior ribs here where they attach to your sternum. Because we got to get your rib cage lined back up properly. I'll show you something here. Look at my thumbs here. See how the right one's an inch lower than this left one?
Yes.
That's the difference in your rib cage alignment.
Oh, wow.
It's an inch lower on the right.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so go ahead and lay your head back there and relax. Put your hands right up here. Take a real deep breath in.
Okay,
Now, we don't treat acid reflux, hiatal hernia, or GERD the disease, but we do treat the biomechanics of the thoracic spine and rib cage, which is often. Yeah, keep exhaling. There you go. That's a girl. Okay, another deep one.
Oh, I'm not ready.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Deep breath. Exhale. Keep exhaling as I put pressure in here.
Oh.
I know. It's painful at first, but it'll feel better in a little bit. Okay, one more time.
Oh, God.
There you go.
Ow, 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 ow.
Yep.
Ow.
But you'll be going wow, wow, wow later.
Oh, God. Ow.
That's probably tender right there, too. This
Yeah.
is your ileocecal valve.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah, Brooke had all this going on when
Oh,
she was
God.
I know, sorry.
Oh, it's so crampy.
I'll quit beating
so
you up now.
crampy.
Okay, just relax your legs. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your ankles all the way up to your low back.
Oh,
That one too. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way towards Brooke. Okay.
This is my favorite part to laugh at. Ready?
Yeah.
I can't take
But now move your shoulders around. I bet they're not as crunchy as they were before. Imagine that.
Ooh. That's awesome.
There you go. That's your elbow. There's your right wrist. If it's got
I'm
a
so
joint, I can
crunchy.
adjust them. When I was younger, I used to smoke them. Now I adjust them.
Ow, that hurt. Oh, Daddy.
Okay. Good girl. Okay, now for the big one. Let's come over here.
Okay, so she has an issue with holding her breath.
Yeah.
So you can't hold your breath.
I can't hold my
Yeah,
breath.
when you hold your breath, that actually tightens things up and will make you feel worse. So you
Yeah,
really,
okay.
I tell you, a great thing for you to get into would be Tai Chi.
Oh.
Butt right here, head up this way. Tai Chi is a slow-moving martial arts, Chinese martial arts that teaches you how to breathe properly. Slide up a little
You
bit.
do what you need.
Okay.
There you go. It's gonna feel tight, Melanie. It should. Yep.
Breathe.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't hold your breath. Just breathe shallowly through your nose.
I'm like shaking.
You just let your legs bend and relax naturally. There we go. See, I want to show you your kicking beforehand too. Okay. Now just breathe through your nose. Just breathe.
I can't
Okay,
make it.
breathe, breathe, breathe. Here, squeeze my hand. Breathe.
I told you.
Deep breath. Now breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Squeeze my hand. There you go. Here, watch. Look, see, you're still kicking your eye. I haven't broken anything. Don't worry. The first one's always the worst one. They get easier after this.
It's so.
I know.
It's
I know.
okay. It's okay.
You'll be fine. I promise.
I don't like it a lot. Ow.
Okay. Yeah. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go.
God. I don't want to do it anymore.
Okay. Let me have you here. There you go.
It's just shocking.
It's the
because
first
we've
one's
never-
always the worst
I
when your
told you.
spine has been through your entire life of being compressed. So I just
Holy
decompressed
I told you.
30
It's just the
years of
first
compressive
one.
stress.
It's like shocking. You kind of go into
It
shock.
is. Here.
I did the
Yeah.
same exact thing.
There we go. You always want to get up sideways like that. Okay.
Wow.
Now come over here and stand in front of the mirror for me again. This will calm down. Get some ice on there when you get home. Crushed ice in a freezer baggie. Put it right on the skin for 20 minutes.
Really?
Okay, come back this way a little bit. Now, let's have you close your eyes again and just bend your head forward and backwards. I gave you the shakes, didn't I?
Yeah, she's shaking.
Yeah, I see. I can feel it. Now neutral. Take a look in the mirror right now, though. Look how squared off you
Oh,
are.
wow.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
She will be.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I think
Pull
that
these
happened
up
to me
and
too
back.
first.
It happens to everyone.
Yeah.
Flip. No, keep those up there for me, huh? and then bring these way back here. Do you see how that tightens up your whole trap?
Yes.
Okay, so your head's forward and a little bit to the right. So see, I'm gonna bring it back, a little left, and then look at the wall behind you. Completely back. No, I got you. I'm not gonna let you
This
fall.
hurts my
I haven't
neck.
lost the patient on for you. I won't start with you.
Oh. Oh God.
Okay. There, okay. Now relax and flex your head forward and backwards again. You tell me if this one feels any smoother to you than the previous one did. Should
Oh,
feel a little
Yeah.
smoother.
Yeah. Going
Take
back.
a look
it
in the
does.
mirror right now. Look how you got equal spacing down here between your pelvis and your arms. Your shoulders are square. Your head's right down the middle.
Wow.
How's your tummy feel right now, by the way?
Good.
Does it feel less painful now that I'm
Mhm.
not poking on it?
Yeah. It feels really good, actually.
Good.
I can stop shaking.
You know,
Yeah.
it's
Just walk around a little bit, take some breaths.
Holy-
like water.
My
too.
body's like, wow.
So, you know, Melanie's had her problems for, what,
Decades.
20-some years, right?
Yeah.
And so this is her very first chiropractic adjustment. And as you know, my adjustments are very significant. They're aggressive. They're bone moving. I can't say anything more than that. I move bones here. And we just rearranged Melanie's biomechanical configuration of her spine and pelvis all in.
I feel better already.
This is split starting to calm
It's
down.
starting-
isn't it?
Yep. Yep.
Good.
Feel
Good.
much better.
So what would you have to tell your crack addict husband about your first experience here?
That was intense, but totally worth it.
Good. Well, thank you for sharing
Thank
your
you so
experience with
much.
everyone on YouTube.
That was
This is
awesome.
your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chriopractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.